Here is how to disable or change SIM pin on any iPhone. So first of all, open up Settings app. Next step, scroll down a little bit and find Cellular and proceed to it. Alright, once you're here, you should scroll down and find option SIM pin and select it. Once you're here, you have two options. To disable SIM pin on your iPhone, tap on this toggle, enter your current PIN code to your SIM. You have only 3 attempt reminder. Then tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. To change SIM PIN, just tap on Change PIN, enter your current PIN, and then tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. Then it will ask you a new PIN for your SIM on your iPhone. Then enter your new SIM PIN and save it.